This is the CM500 circular cutter. With this cutter you can easily cut the paper to the right size in order to make the perfect button. The circle cutter comes with metal rings of different sizes, an Allen key tool and a green cutting base. Always use the cutting base in order to extend the life of the cutting blade and prevent it from wear or damage. The first step is to adjust the cutter to the desired button size. Use the Allen key provided to loosen and adjust the shaft with the cutting blade to fit the size of the chosen button metal and tighten with the Allen key. Place the silver metal ring of the same size chosen under the paper circle cutter. The silver ring is an essential part to center or register the image you want to cut. We remind you to use a paper weight between 80 and 120 grams for a precise cut. Press the circle cutter firmly with one hand on the paper so that it does not slip. Turn the knob with the other hand without using too much force until the paper is completely cut. Your papers are now cut to the perfect size. Remember that you can download templates to personalize your designs and check out all the promotional gift options available on our website www.igamax.com.